we've got a glass panel. Originally, it would sit here on this side, but the only problem is we're struggling for space. I mean, we've got this basin here, so it can't open, it can't swing outward, it can only swing inward. So what I will do is I will move it from this position and fit it this side here, right? My little challenge is that. So what I will do is I'll cut it out slightly, make a housing, so my mounting plate can sit there nicely and flush, right? So once done, it can swing outward this way, right? Got more room, swing outward, jump in the tub, and we are sorted, right? I was saying to my client the other day, when I come to do this, I will sort out, the mess on the silicone. As you can see, the silicone there is not nicely done. Whoever did that, I don't know, but yeah, I'll do a good job for them. I'll cut it out and then put a new fresh silicone for them. It'll be lovely, perfect. Number side, which is to the left. So when it's all done, then our door will come here, right? It will slide outward. You come in, you open, you jump in the bath, then you close it, right? Going in and out of the bath, So yeah, I'm gonna mount that there. Good stuff. Now I need to connect our bit.